So him and a buddy were going somewhere in his car. He forgot something at his house. So they go back at his apartment, and the friend stays in the car. First victim walks up, and as he's putting his key in the door, somebody comes up behind him and puts a gun to the back of his head and forces him inside. He held the gun on the victim while he directed him of things to put into a trash bag, and then told him to go out to the car. That's where he found the victim's friend, robbed him of his cell phone, and was ordering them to get in the vehicle. The suspect went around to get in the driver's seat. They ran. Our Street Crimes Unit and Special Investigations Division were set up watching a totally separate incident. Sergeant Reyes gets flagged down by the victim, who tells him that he had just been robbed at gunpoint and they took his car. We get in the area and start looking. We was able to get the plate from the victim. We immediately started putting it in Flock.
I entered it into the system so we would get additional hits.
And got our first notification that it had hit on the south side of town, and I happened to see it come out of a neighborhood, activated the lights. Sergeant Brown was the one calling the pursuit. The guy ended up crashing into a fence and running on foot. We were able to get him into custody at that point. If we didn't have Flock on that date, I don't think we ever would have found this guy.
This case is a prime example of why technology was on our side.
If we have a suspect in something, we're immediately going to Flock.
We use it multiple times every day, and once I log into my computer, Flock is the first thing that I click on.
It helps us with several of our investigations.
We do a lot of collaboration with other agencies, from robberies to auto thefts to burglaries. Other agencies that are contemplating spending the money on something like this, they should definitely consider it, because it's been invaluable to us and other agencies in solving a lot of crimes that definitely would have gone unsolved without it.
It's helped us tremendously. We all get in because we want to make a difference, and having a tool such as Flock that can actually give them some peace of mind, it's been amazing.